2025 GAC Motor Trumpchi S7. The newly revealed 2025 GAC Trumpchi S7 preview images showcase the front and rear designs, highlighting dynamic effect headlights capable of displaying customizable patterns. Additionally, the model is equipped with laser radar technology mounted on the roof, emphasizing advanced safety and driving assistance features. The 2025 GAC Trumpchi S7 features dynamic effect headlights with customizable patterns and incorporates roof-mounted laser radar technology for advanced functionality. A through-type daytime running light design enhances the front fascia, with DRLs extending into the air intakes for a unified appearance. The model's design eliminates the traditional center grille, giving the front a clean and futuristic look. A floating roof design and Range Rover-inspired door accents contribute to the vehicle's sleek profile. The rear showcases circular tail lights with dynamic effects, along with a large tailgate and rear window for improved field of vision. Interior spy photos reveal a scroll wheel and keyboard-style steering control, a floating instrument panel, and a square central control screen. The cabin features through-type air conditioning vents, a wireless charging panel, and generous storage space under the central console. An HUD head-up display is included, enhancing convenience and visibility for drivers. The model introduces GAC Trumpchi's third-generation hybrid technology designed to improve fuel efficiency and overall performance.